students, now we will go ahead with light, the part of optics. We already know about the optics, the branch of science which deals with the light and their associated phenomena. Now light is the form of energy which produces the sense of vision. You should be clear about light is one of the cause which make us able to see. Not only light is responsible to seeing anything. If we don't have the good or healthy eyes, how can we see? That's why here light is the form of energy which produce the sense of vision. If we have good eyes, we can see clearly. That means we can see anything according to our health of eyes, availability of intensity of light, and the next phenomena, that is reflection of light. It will discuss later. Now we see the simple physical properties or properties of light. This can be also called characteristics of light. That means when a light waves come, जब कोई light waves आता है तो उसके क्या क्या properties होते हैं? At the stationary level, initial level, that means no any external influences try to manipulate the properties. कोई भी बाहरी कारक उस प्रॉपर्टीज को बदलने की कोशिश न करे, तब उसका कैसा प्रॉपर्टीज होता है हम ये जानेंगे. The properties of light travels along a straight line always. If there is no any obstacle in the path of light which produce either reflection, dispersion, that means if no any obstacle comes in the path of light, naturally light always travels in a straight line, and this phenomena is known as the rectilinear propagation of light. इस phenomena को हम light के rectilinear propagation कहते हैं. Don't confuse about the word propagation. Propagation, that means movement. Propagation, that means movement. The light travels along a straight line. This property is known as rectilinear propagation of light. We will make a diagram later. Now, second property of light is about speed of light. And you should know about this thing. The second property of light is the speed of light. And you should be clear about it. This is the absolute property of light. Till now, nothing has observed a speeder than the speed of light. अब तक कुछ भी ऐसा ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया गया है, माइट बी पॉसिबल, हो भी सकता है, लेकिन अब तक मिला नहीं है जिसका स्पीड लाइट के स्पीड से अधिक हो. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट. द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम एंड एयर. And here that means in air the speed of light is slightly varied. Slightly varied. That's why the variation is taken negotiable, and so the speed of light is here 3 lakh kilometer per second. Imagine the speed 3 lakh kilometer per second. That means you or a single digit of letter and light goes up to the 3 lakh kilometer. You can easily observe the speed of light at the very distant place. You on the switch and the very end of your house, light gets on. स्विच ऑन करते हो घर के शुरुआत में और घर के अंत में लाइट तुरंत जल जाता है, प्लग झपकते हैं। यू कैन इमेजिन द स्पीड। अब इससे भी ज्यादा स्पीड तो आप ये कर सकते हो कि योर रिलेटिव इज situated at Mumbai, America, and he made a call, and within a second you can receive them, and you can receive audio and visual conversation. So the speed of light is till now, this is the amazing properties of light. Now light has particles. This particles is known as photon, but at your level it is not described. It will be described later in that section of physics. Whether light is discussed as a particles is known as quantum physics. So you will have to wait till then. The another property of light is that light has dual properties. One is the particle properties, you already know, that is known as photon. And the second property is the wave property. And light wave is naturally known as electromagnetic wave. These are the properties of light. Among all of them, two is most important at your level, and rest will be discussed at the senior classes, next classes. So you will have to wait for them. Rectilinear propagation, not properties. Rectilinear propagation of light. This is the very important and natural properties of light. That at the natural condition, it means no any obstacles comes between the path of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. This is the very important property of light, because at natural level, at the natural status, when light produced by any illuminating substance, it always propagates or moves in a straight line till no any obstacle come between the path of light to produce another effect like reflection, refraction, dispersion, etc. So this can be easily observed in the illustration. In this illustration, the boy in the first figure can see the light emitting from candle through the cylindrical pipe. You can observe the pipe is cylindrical but straight. Already cylindrical, that means a straight. Cylindrical pipe. Where as the pipe gets bended, जैसे ही पाइप को बेंड कर दिया गया, you can easily observe in the second boy cannot see the light emitting from the candle because his pipe is bent. And this activity established the fact that light propagates in a straight line. I think this is clear. If you have any question, you can text in comment. I will try to answer in comment, either add up your queries in next video. Thank you.